Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are fine and healthy. I'm here to take your English class. But in today's class, I won't teach you any new lesson because I'm going to take your revision class. It means whatever you have learned in English class, today we will revise it. Okay, beta? So, look at the board. From unit number 1, I'm going to start from unit number 1. Unit number 1, expedition. Unit 3, the show. Then triathlete, the beginning of farming. Next unit, charities. Then hot rocks, the Pied Piper of Himalaya. And last, let's check. I taught you these units, and whatever the work you have done from above these units, you have to look here. You have done all vocabulary meaning, question answers, fill in the blanks, true, false, word sentences, that is make sentences, then choose the correct answers. 3 answers are given and you have to choose the best answers. You have done these things from the above unit. So beta, now you have to learn these work from your copy. Let's move towards the next work. Next work is related to writing task. You have done writing task from page number 7, exercise number 3. Next, exercise number 4 from page number 43. Let's move towards the next work. Next work is picture creativity. What you have done in this exercise, that is picture creativity, you have to do with the help of picture, write down a paragraph or few sentences. For example, I am showing you this picture. Okay, beta? Look at this picture carefully and think about this picture. What are you looking in this picture? First, you have to see it carefully. Whatever you are looking in this picture, you have to think sentences about this picture. I'm going to make sentences according to this scene. Okay, beta? What are you looking? I hope you are looking it clearly. Right. How will you write? You will write according to this picture. This is the picture of a house. Okay? The color of this house is yellow and pink. There are 3 windows in this house. It has 1 door. There is a pond. Duck and fish are swimming in this pond. There is a large tree. And a dog is sitting on the grass. There is a sun in the sky. Did you mark, beta? With the help of this picture, I have told you 5 to 6 sentences. This method is called, this thing is called picture creativity. It means with the help of this picture, you have to write few sentences. Okay, beta? Let's move towards the next exercise. Next exercise is related to comprehension. As I taught you in previous class, what you have to do in comprehension? In comprehension, there is a passage is given, and below the passage, the 4 to 5 questions which is related to that passage has been given. You have to learn the given passage again and again. After that, you will read the question which is given below the passage. Then according to the question, you have to find out the answer from the passage. Okay. Okay, beta? But keep one thing in your mind. You have to use your own words. Don't copy down the complete passage. Okay? Next, vocabulary builders from copy. Vocabulary builders. What things are included in vocabulary builders? Vocabulary builders means there are synonyms, antonyms, change the genders, forms of verb. These works you have done in your copy. So learn these words by heart each and every topic like synonyms, antonyms, change the genders and forms of verb. Okay students, let's move towards the next work. Next is related to translation. You have done different tenses and according to tenses you have done different translation. So you have to do practice of this translation as well. Okay beta, let's move towards the next word, letters. Do you know beta? Letter is means of communication. Okay, so you have done these two letters. One thing I would like to tell you, that is recall your memory. When I was teaching you letters, so I have told you how will you write down letters. That is, you have to focus the format of letter. You have to start from the left hand side of the page. Each and everything will start from the left hand side and it will be ended at the left hand side. Okay beta? Now look at the topic of letter. Write a letter to your sister for congratulating her on success in examination. You have done this letter in your language copy. Next topic is write a letter to your brother for advising him about studies. You have done these two letters in your language copy. So beta, did you see how many topics you have covered in your English period and how many writing tasks you have done and how will you do the picture creativity? Then comprehension, vocabulary builders which is included synonyms, antonyms, forms of verb and change the genders. Then translation which is according to the tense and letters. Okay beta, so revision class is ended here. I hope you understood each and everything. Okay beta.